Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because nearby sharing uses Bluetooth to discover devices and Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct to move data quickly. Make sure both devices are unlocked and visible. Once done, set visibility to everyone nearby or contacts only depending on privacy. Next, open the file, photo, or link you want to send and tap Share. Select Nearby Sharing as the target. This begins the discovery handshake. So keep devices within a few meters. Once a sender initiates sharing, you'll get a prompt that shows the device name and file type. You must accept to start. As the transfer runs, monitor the progress indicator. It uses Wi-Fi Direct for higher throughput when available, which explains variable speeds. Make sure you choose the save location when prompted, so you can find the file later. If you need to pause or stop, cancel the transfer. Otherwise, wait for the confirmation that the file is received and ready to open. To finish, open the received file to confirm it transferred intact. If it's incomplete, request a resend. If devices don't discover each other, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or turn nearby sharing off and on in settings. This resets the discovery service. Also, moving closer or disabling a VPN can resolve routing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: switch airplane mode on briefly then off to clear wireless stacks. This often fixes stubborn discovery or connection failures without changing other settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.